This is the Westbrass decorative plumbing, made from real brass. Definitely got a nice heavy feel to it. Comes with these fixtures, seals, ready to put onto a sink. I've bought Home Depot's top-end sink dispose-all, and I wanted to make sure that the fittings we put in it, the P-trap, were very nice as well. So the black stylings of the Westbrass look nice with it. Let's get these hooked up. So going in, we've got the flange washer, the PVC flange, the cover flange that comes with Westbin, and then just the nut that'll attach to the J here. And there we see it's in place. I've got my washing machine drain in there, the new Westbrass P-trap, and it went in super easy. Whole thing less than 5 minutes. For comparison, you can see my other sink is next to it, still has the white because it's a dual sink unit.